What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. It leaves a bad taste in my mouth. Peter and Richard are in a meeting. They have been waiting for Susan all morning, but she's not there. I can't believe Susan didn't show up for our meeting today. Yeah, that's really unprofessional of her. Did she give a reason? No, she didn't even call or email to let us know she wouldn't be there. It just leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I don't blame you. It's frustrating when people don't respect your time. Exactly. And now we have to reschedule everything. Well, at least you know not to rely on her for important meetings in the future. Quiz time! What does "it leaves a bad taste in my mouth" mean? It's not delicious. Don't waste my time. It leaves a negative impression. Meetings are important. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. It leaves a negative impression. Teaching moment. Peter and Rich were waiting for Susan, but she didn't show up. They were both annoyed about it, and Susan left a bad impression. This feeling will stay with them for some time, just like a bad taste stays with you after you eat bad food. Examples. The movie was great until the unexpected and unsatisfying ending. It left a bad taste in my mouth. Hearing about the corruption scandal in the government really left a bad taste in my mouth and made me lose faith in our political system. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To show up. To appear. To let someone know. To give someone information. I don't blame you. I know it's not your fault. To rely on someone. To depend on someone. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.